Flawless All-Day Makeup, the ultimate skin prep guide. Want flawless makeup that lasts all day? The secret lies in the perfect skin prep. Starting with a smooth base ensures that your makeup applies effortlessly and stays put, keeping you radiant from morning till night. Welcome to your ultimate guide for achieving long-lasting makeup through effective skin prep. By focusing on the essentials, you'll create a canvas that enhances your makeup's durability, ensuring you look stunning throughout your busy day. Exfoliation is crucial for removing dead skin cells and creating a smooth surface. This step helps your makeup adhere better and prevents flakiness, making it an indispensable part of your pre-makeup routine for a seamless finish. Opt for gentle scrubs to avoid irritating your skin while effectively sloughing away impurities. A gentle exfoliant ensures your skin feels smooth and refreshed, providing the ideal base for your makeup to glide on flawlessly. For a deeper, clean, and smoother skin texture, consider incorporating chemical exfoliants. These products penetrate deeper layers, dissolving dead skin cells and promoting cell turnover, leaving your skin soft and ready for makeup application. After exfoliating, use a gentle cleanser to wash away any residue, leaving your skin fresh and ready for the next steps. A clean surface helps makeup adhere better, ensuring it stays flawless throughout the day. Toning is crucial for maintaining your skin's natural balance. A good toner helps restore pH levels, preparing your skin to absorb subsequent products more effectively. This step ensures your makeup looks seamless and lasts longer. Hydration is key to a smooth makeup application. A lightweight moisturizer provides essential moisture without feeling heavy, creating a supple canvas. Well-hydrated skin helps prevent foundation from caking or settling into fine lines. Incorporating a hydrating serum into your routine adds an extra layer of moisture. Serums penetrate deeper than moisturizers, boosting your skin's hydration levels. This step enhances the longevity of your makeup, keeping it fresh and vibrant. Sunscreen is a non-negotiable step in your skincare routine. It shields your skin from harmful UV rays, preventing premature aging and damage. Makeup adheres better to protected skin, ensuring your look remains intact all day. Primer plays a crucial role in ensuring your makeup stays put all day. It creates a smooth canvas, minimizing pores and imperfections, which helps makeup adhere better to your skin. This step can significantly enhance your look's longevity. Selecting the right primer for your skin type is essential. Oily skin benefits from a mattifying primer that controls shine, while dry skin thrives with a hydrating formula. The right choice ensures a flawless, lasting finish. When applying primer, focus on areas where makeup tends to fade, such as the T-zone and cheeks. A thin, even layer is all you need to create a reliable foundation for your makeup. For an extra boost in longevity, spritz on a setting spray before applying your foundation. This trick locks in moisture and helps your makeup withstand the day's challenges, ensuring it stays vibrant and fresh. Choosing a long-wear foundation is key to maintaining a flawless complexion throughout the day. These formulas are designed to resist fading and transfer, providing a seamless, natural finish that keeps your makeup looking freshly applied. Blending your foundation seamlessly is crucial for achieving a flawless and natural appearance. Use a damp makeup sponge or foundation brush, applying in light, circular motions to ensure even coverage, avoiding any harsh lines or streaks. For concealer, choose a long-lasting formula that effectively covers imperfections. Apply it sparingly on trouble spots like under-eye circles or blemishes, gently tapping with your fingertips or a brush to blend it seamlessly with your foundation. Setting your base with a translucent powder is essential for oil control and makeup longevity. Lightly dust it over your face, concentrating on areas prone to shine, to ensure a matte finish that lasts. Layering cream and powder products can enhance durability. Start with cream blush and contour to create a natural, dewy look, then set with a powder formula to lock in color and add dimension to your face. Select buildable blush and contour products to achieve a natural definition. Gradually apply and blend to your desired intensity, ensuring a seamless finish that enhances your features without looking harsh or overdone. To ensure your eyeshadow remains vibrant throughout the day, begin with an eye primer. This essential step creates a smooth canvas, reduces oiliness, and prevents creasing, allowing your eyeshadow colors to pop and last longer. Selecting long-wear eyeshadow formulas is crucial for maintaining a fresh look. These formulas are designed to withstand humidity and sweat, ensuring your eye makeup stays intact from morning to night without fading or smudging. Enhance your eyeliner's staying power by setting it with a matching eyeshadow. This simple technique not only intensifies the color, but also locks it in place, preventing smudging and keeping your eyes defined all day. For lashes that last, opt for waterproof mascara. This type of mascara resists smudging and flaking, even in humid conditions, ensuring your lashes maintain their volume and curl without the need for frequent touch-ups. Prepare your lips by gently exfoliating to remove any dry skin and apply a nourishing balm. This creates a soft, smooth surface, allowing your lipstick to glide on seamlessly and stay vibrant throughout the day. For a show-stopping pout that endures, select a long-lasting lipstick formula. These formulas are designed to withstand eating, drinking, and talking, ensuring your lips remain vibrant and fresh without frequent reapplication throughout the day. A lip liner is essential to prevent lipstick feathering and bleeding. Outline your lips with a shade that matches your lipstick, filling in slightly for added staying power. This creates a defined, polished look. Setting your entire makeup look with a final setting spray provides an invisible shield against environmental factors. This step seals everything in place, ensuring your makeup remains flawless even through the longest of days. A compact touch-up kit is your secret weapon for maintaining perfection on the go. Include blotting papers, a lipstick, and a small mirror to swiftly address any makeup mishaps that might occur during the day. Try incorporating these expert tips into your makeup routine and observe the difference in longevity. Share your experiences and results in the comments, and join the conversation about which techniques work best for you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more contents.